Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your JotForm account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you redirect a user after they've submitted your JotForm? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to redirect your user after they submit your JotForm anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe affiliate marketing, you know that after somebody submits your JotForm, rather than sending them to a thank you page, you can redirect them to other links, maybe even affiliate link. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your JotForm account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my JotForm, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and set up a redirect to one of your JotForms, it's going to be handled on the form level. It's not on the account level. So you're going to click on all forms here on the left. Once you do that, you're going to see all of your JotForms. You can see I just have two, and you want to hover over the one that you want to set up a redirect. So for example, this one, once you hover it should turn purple, and you're going to see these three options. Click on edit form. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you to the JotForm form builder. And to set up a redirect, what you're going to do is click on settings here on the top center. Once you do that, you'll see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on thank you page. It has a check mark next to it. Okay, so as you can see right here, if somebody fills out my form on JotForm, immediately after submitting, it's going to redirect them to this thank you page. So it just says thank you for your information, and then it has various links. However, if you want to redirect them to a separate link outside of your JotForm, you can just click right here, redirect to external link, and then you can go ahead and just paste the link in here. So if this is going to be like a link to an affiliate product, you can go ahead and put that here. Or if it's going to be a link to your blog, you can go ahead and put that here. So basically the steps are your traffic sees your JotForm, they go into the JotForm, they fill out their information. Once they click submit, it's going to redirect them to whatever link you put here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to redirect your user after they submit your JotForm, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.